Hi everyone, welcome back to Work and Wealth channel. I will be breaking down the application process, sharing insights on role. So make sure you guys stick around till the end to get all the details. If you are excited to learn more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Okay guys, we'll see what to do for this role and we'll see job descriptions first. Work from home with Amazon customer service. Role Virtual Customer Service Associate. Job type seasonal or contractual. Contractual means they will hire for 4 months or 6 months based on contract. Location work from home in Maharashtra, Tier B city limiteds. Tier B cities includes Nagpur, Nashik, Solapur, Kolapur, Sangli. These are all cities in Maharashtra. These cities are eligible for this opportunity. Role, as you know, Virtual Customer Service Associate. What will you do as a customer service associate? Very simple guys. As you know, Amazon is a e-commerce company. All peoples are the customers. Take an example. A customer order a product and is facing some issues in that product, either pricing or size or whatever it is, and he will raise a query and he will be the first point of contact for the Amazon customer by answering their questions and queries through a phone. And we'll see what benefits will you receive. You will receive medical insurance and pension plan and internet allowances. And quickly we'll see job qualifications. What qualifications do we need from you? Minimum age 18 years old, have right to work in India. As I mentioned before, strong communication skill in English, both written and oral fluent. Your work vary shift from Monday to Sunday within the operating hours, and willingness and ability to work in rotational shift. It means early or late or overnight or weekend and overtime as required. Willingness, as you know, you are ready to willing from one city to another city. And very most important, you will need a quiet, distraction-free workspace. It means you should dedicate it some office space with a desk and chair. From technical perspective, a minimum broadband connection of 100 MB download speed and 20 MB upload speed using a hardwire internet connection should be there. That's all about job qualifications. Okay, we'll move to hiring process. I will provide you job link below. Please tap apply button and choose I accept and tap continue button. After tapping continue button, you will move to login page. If you have already a account, please log in using email or mobile number. If you don't have, don't worry. Just tap create one. You will move to create an account page. Here, mention your first name and surname. You guys, here you can see follow my cursor, you can see the star icon here. It means it's compulsory, you need to fill that text field and fill email id and re-enter email id